Hello friends, welcome to the New Tech Navigators. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create a retail dashboard in Google Sheets. As you are seeing my screen, we have created this retail dashboard. On the top, we have created few cards wherein we are showing the gross sale amount, total sales amount, average discount percentage, quantity sold, and this is the discount amount. Then we are showing the few charts like total sales amount by the month, total gross sale amount by the month, and this is gross sale by the store location on this map. And here we are showing the quantity sold by the product. This is the gross sale by the product category and total sales amount by product name. We have created three more charts: quantity sold by the product name, average discount percentage by product category. This is total sales amount by sales representative. Now I will show you the data of this. So we have this data wherein we have the transaction ID, customer name, product category, product name, store location, date, unit sold, and this is unit price, discount percentage, and here we are showing the sales representative name. This is the discount amount and gross sale, total sales, month and year. Now, on the basis of this data, we have created this dashboard to show you the analysis, and you can use this. This is the ready to use. You can just append your data in this format and automatically these charts will appear. We have created a support sheet also wherein we are showing the gross sale amount, total sale amount, discount percentage, quantity, and the discount amount. So on the basis of these on this table we are creating these cards. Now I will show you how you can create this in the Google Sheet. So what I will do, I'll create a new blank spreadsheet. Just go to the file, new, and click on a spreadsheet. This is the untitled spreadsheet you can see, and this is sheet 1. So I will rename this as data. So we will use the same data. So what we can do, just go back to that and we can copy this data as it is. Just copy and we can paste this data here. Okay. Now I will show you how you can create the dashboard on the basis of this data. So first let's add a support sheet. On the support sheet, we will create the table like we have created here. So you can take the same headers and let's paste them here. And let's select this range. Then we can apply the borders here. Let's say I'm taking this color and all borders. Go to the view. So uncheck the grid lines, and same thing here also. You can uncheck the grid lines from here. View, uncheck the grid lines. Now for the gross sale, we can use the sum function and come to the data sheet. Gross sale is available column L. Just select and hit the enter. Then the total discount is available here, sales representative, and you can just auto fit the columns so that we can see the whole data properly. Now this is the total sales amount. So we will take here the formatting, same formatting which we are taking for the gross sale, this one. So you can take this format painter and just click here. Now let's use the total sales amount. Take the sum again, and total sales amount is column M. Just hit the enter. Similarly, average discount. So you can use here. First, let's take the discount amount. Then we will put the formula. So first take the quantity, which is the unit sold. This one, column G, and just hit the enter. And here you can take the discount amount. So just come here and take this column K. We have the discount amount. We can apply this same formatting, this one, and here we can use formula discount amount divided by gross sale. So that is the discount percentage, and let's take the percentage format. Okay, so we have created this all table. Now let's add a new sheet and rename this as dashboard. Dashboard sheet we will keep at the first position, and then select the header like this and use merge cells. Make this bigger. Here you can put your title like this is retail dashboard, or whatever title you want to put, you can put that. Line this center and middle. Size just increase around 36 or take 30. Font you can take Arial rounded. and you can fill here some background color. Let's say I'm taking this color here. Font I will take white color. Then go to the view, so uncheck the grid lines from here. And now we will create the cards and other things. Just increase the column width. Now we will create the cards here. So just select this section first till here, and we will fill some gray color in this range. Let's go to the fill color and take here this gray color, third one or fourth one. All right, so we have filled the gray color. Now we will create the cards like we have created here, and for the charts also. So we will use the Microsoft PowerPoint here, and let's move to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's insert a shape here in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So we will take this rounded corner rectangle and just drag the rectangle here. First shape we will create little smaller like this, and pick the yellow handle, move to the left hand side slightly, and we will fill here white color in the background and take the shape outline color. Let's say I'm taking this one, and the weight of the outline I will take half point. Okay, so this shape is ready. Let's copy this and come back to the Google Sheets and paste that here and just make it smaller. So this will be our card. Let's place this here. We will make the copy of this. So just copy and paste and just place this here. Select both, copy and paste, and let's paste this here. Copy and paste again, and then we will place this here. Now we will go back to the PowerPoint again, and this time we will make slightly bigger and pick the yellow handle and move to the left hand side like this. Just copy this and paste here, and let us keep this here. All right, now we will go back to the PowerPoint again, and here we can make this shape, and now copy this and paste again. Let's make this smaller and let us place this here. Make the copy and paste that here and make this smaller. All right, so we have created these two shapes. Now I will show you here, and we will create these bottom two lines also. So let's copy and paste and put this here, paste again and put this here and paste again. So we will make this one slightly smaller and then place this here. You can make it bigger. We can make the copy of these three and paste again and place them here. If you want to change the position, so you can move this here and you can move this here also. All right, so our design part is ready. Now we will start creating the cards and charts. Okay, so first of all, we will create the cards for the top section, and to create the cards, we will go to the support sheet. Let's select this range, cross cell by amount, insert a chart here. So it has created the column charts. We will go to the setup and we'll change the chart type here. Just scroll it down and we will take here this scorecard chart. Just click here. So it is showing the value, whatever it is appearing here, it is taking the same value. We will not take the decimal here. So what we can do here, we can just remove the decimals. Let's take the whole value only. Okay, in like this, and take the same formatting here and same formatting here also. All right, so this is done. Now just double click here and we will add the chart title. So go to the chart title, chart and access title, and here just put the gross sale, or you can make the copy of this one and just copy and just double click here and change the title as gross sale amount. Now take the font size 14, color black, align center, and then go to the key value, and the font size of the key value take around 24 or slightly bigger also 30. Align this center and just make the size slightly smaller like this. All right, so this is ready. Now go to the chart style, background color none, and the chart border color none. Okay, so this is ready. Now just make the copy of this and paste that here. Just copy it from here, and you can just come to the dashboard and you can paste that here also. Just move this. Okay, now let's place this here. So the first card is ready, and now we'll create the other cards also. Just make the copy of this card, copy this, and you can paste that here and move to the second one, then paste again, move to the third one, paste again, fourth one, and paste again. So we have created all cards, but we have to change the reference because this is all gross sale amount. To change the reference, just double click here. In place of B to B, let's come to the support sheet. We will take here this C to C5. We will take the, just double click here and we will change this range B3, B4. We will take here C3, C4. Okay. So just change this C3 and C4 and just hit the enter. So number is changed. We will change the chart title also. This is total sales amount and just hit the enter. Now double click here and we will take here the D, column D, and hit the enter. So this is the discount percentage and just hit the enter. Now double click here. This one will be E. This is unit sold. So go to the unit sold. And this is discount amount. So just take here discount amount. We will change the range also. So we will take here column F and just hit the enter. So this is discount amount. Okay. We have created the top cards. Now the time to create the charts. So let's go to the insert and we can insert the chart here directly. Insert the chart. So it will insert a blank chart. Let's place this chart here over the first shape. Now double click to change the reference, and first chart we are creating the area chart, and like here we are taking this is the total sales by month. So just go to the date range and delete this, add a range. So we will take two range. First we will take the month and then total sales. So take the month here, go to the data sheet. The month is coming on, month is appearing on the column N. Just select this. Then total sales is on column M. Just select this. Click on OK. Now here just click on aggregate. So this area chart is looking good. Use the first row as header. Then go to the customize chart and axis title and just put here total sales by month. Align this center and take the black font size around 14 and make this bold. Okay, so this chart is ready. You can change the color of the series as you want. Let's say I'm taking this color here and I want to add the point size also 7. You can make this line smooth it. Just go to the chart title, make the smooth line. If you want to add the data label, you can add that. Okay. So this chart is ready. Just double click again and in the chart style, we will make the background as none and the chart border color also none. If you want to remove the grid lines, just click here and you can just uncheck the major grid lines. So grid lines will not appear. All right. Now we can make the copy of this chart and we can paste that here and let's place this chart here. This is the second chart. And in this chart, we will make the gross sale amount by product name. So just double click, first change this chart to the column chart and then change the range gross sale amount by product name. So just delete this and delete this. So first we will take the product name in the data. Product name is appearing on column D. So just select that. Then the gross sale is available on column L. Just select that. Click on OK. And if you want to change the color, you can change it from the series. Let's say I'm taking this color and you can change the chart title also. This is gross sale by product name and just hit the enter. In the setup, make sure gross sale is appearing here and use row 1 as header, that is checked. So this chart is ready. Now we can create the other charts also. So the next chart which we are using, that is the gross sale by store location. Now, if you are looking at this, we have used the 1000 and million format, and that format you can see that here also from the number format, this format we have used. So if I go to the custom number format, you can copy this one if you want and you can use the same formatting. So let's say in the support, if I select this, go to the format number, and if I go to the custom number format, I can simply paste that format here. Okay, just click on apply. The same formatting is applied. So you can just take the format painter and you can click here. So that is appearing. So if you see, it is appearing in the 1000. Same thing you can do here also. If you want to show the data labels, just double click and let's show the data labels. So if I go to the series and just show the data labels are bigger, so you can make them smaller. Just click here and scroll it down and take the number format, custom number format, and you can paste that formatting here. So this is not copied. Let's copy that formatting. So we can copy that formatting. Just go to the format, number, and custom number formatting. Let's copy this, and I'm just pasting that here so that you can see that, or we can copy it every time. Just click other number format and let us paste that, apply. So you can see that is appearing in the 1000. So that is how you can do that. And let's make the map here. So you can make the copy of any chart. Let's say I'm making the copy of this one and pasting that here. Let's place this here. So here you can take the total sales or the gross sale, whatever you want, by the location. So first let's change the chart. You can take the map or map with marker as you want. And here you can select the location, delete this and delete this. Let's come to the data. And first we will select the location that is available, column E. And then you can take the gross sale. Click on OK. The region should be location, and here we have the gross sale. Okay, we can go to the custom geo, and in place of word you can take the United States. That is the field map. And if you want to change the map, you can take here this marker map also. So it's up to you which one you want to take. Now I will show you how you can create the other charts also. Let's copy this chart, and this time we will paste that here and just place this here. And now here we will create the quantity showed by product category. So just double click and change this chart to the column chart, and we will take the quantity showed by product category. So first take the product category from the data sheet. The product category is available on column C. So just select the column C, and here we will take the unit sold or the quantity sold, this one, column G. Just click on OK. So this chart is created. You can see we just have to rename this, and you can change the chart style and make it 3D. If you want to change the color, you can change it from the series. You can take any color. Let's say I'm taking this one. This is the quantity sold by product category, and just hit the enter. All right, you can see in the setup everything is appearing good. All right, so this one is also done. Now we will create the other chart, that is gross sales by product category. Okay, so you can make the copy of the previous chart and paste that here. So this time we will take the gross sale in place of the unit sold. Just double click and just come here, and here in place of this column G, we will take the gross sale that is available on the column M, this one, column M, this, sorry, column L. This is the gross sale. Click on OK. So this is gross sale. You can change the chart type as line, okay, and just rename this as gross sales by product category. And here make sure it is taking the proper series. So it is not taking, so you have to change this as gross sale. So now it is proper. All right. Now let's create the other charts also. This is total sales amount by product name. So you can take this chart and let's paste this chart here. This is the total sales amount. We just need to change the, in place of month, let's take product name. So just delete this one, come to the data and take here month, take here product name, this one, click on OK. So this is by product name. Let's take here product name and take here total sales, and we will change the chart type also. Let's take the bar chart. Okay, if you want to change the color, just click here and change the color to the, let's say, this color. All right, so this is total sales by product name. Now let us create the other three remaining charts also. So we will take here quantity sold by product name, the same chart. You can make the copy and paste here, and let's place this here. And this time in place of total sales, just take the quantity sold or the unit sold. So here just delete this and take the column G, this one, unit sold. That's it. But make sure it is taking the correct series. So just check this. All right, so it is taking the correct result, and this is the quantity sold. Okay, now let's create the other chart also, average discount by product category. So let's take this product category and paste that here and place this here. Now I will show you how you can take the average. So you can just double click and just delete this and take the product category, which is appearing here. Sorry, discount percentage, this one. product category by discount percentage. So we will add the discount percentage here, and in place of this sum, let's take the average. So this is average discount percentage by product category. Now let's take the other charts, that is the total sales amount by sales representative. Okay, the same chart, this one, we can just paste that here. You can make this chart slightly smaller, and let's place this here, make this box slightly bigger, and just double click, change the reference with the sales representative. In place of column N, just come to the data, take the column J, click on OK, and take here sales representative and here total sales. All right, so this is total sales by sales rep. Alright friends, so that is how we have created this retail dashboard in Google Sheets. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.